Majority Leader Mahama Ayaraga is calling for a termination of government contract with Zipline for the drone delivery of essential medicines, describing it as a total waste of state resources. This comes after the Minority Leader Alexander Penyomarkin called on the leader of government business to summon the health minister next week to apprise the House on measures to ensure a revamp of Zipline operations in 3 centers that were shut down as a result of government 175 million cedi unpaid debt. Speaking on the floor of Parliament, the Majority Leader says the Ghana Health Service is capable of procuring its own drones for the delivery of critical drugs to underserved communities.
Don't spend 170 million Ghana cedis that you are sending blood to health facilities using drones. The Ministry of Health should have bought their own drones by now. You can't continue spending that kind of money that you are paying a service provider. It's a total waste of money. The Ministry of Health should have bought their own drones. After all these years, the Zipline contract, I recall, was signed somewhere in 2021. Can you imagine every year if we are spending 170 million Ghana cedis? 170 million Ghana cedis, so that they will go and drop blood in some village and then come back. Meanwhile, there's road network leading to almost every town, every community in this country. There are only few locations that you will say the roads are not accessible. That money could have tarred the roads to all those locations that we are concerned about. And Ghana Health Service could have bought their own drones.